This is the ultimate money affirmation guide for young men and women who want the finer things in life. The only way to get that is to remove yourself from this matrix. Roll one, light it, and listen to me. Money is important. It's a means to an end, but it's also much more than that. Money can help us achieve our dreams, provide for our families, give us the freedom to live life on our own terms. Not by Joe Biden. And for young men, in particular, financial success is crucial for building a strong foundation for the future. It's also important for women, but it's mandatory for young men. It's not a lot of broke dudes getting bummed. But how can we attract money into our lives? Blaming the world for your problems, it won't cut it. Blaming women for you not being chosen isn't it. You are the reason you are not rich. One way is through affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that help to reprogram our thoughts, beliefs, and help us to manifest things we desire, including money. Here are some powerful money affirmations that you can use to attract wealth and abundance into your life right now. Number 1, I am worthy of financial abundance. 2, I attract money easily and effortlessly. 3, money flows to me in abundance. 4, I am grateful for the abundance in my life. 5, I am open to receiving unlimited abundance and wealth. 6, money comes to me in my sleep daily. 7, I love money for what it allows me to do. I remember when I couldn't get the girl when I was younger. I would sit up and think about life over the years, how all the bad boys, the hustlers, they always got the girl. All the trappers, everybody like that got the girl every time. I always did okay with girls, but often I would blame the girls for dumping me and leaving me when I had absolutely no value. After being a baby back bitch, I simply realized that simping over women would not get me more of them. Instead, becoming valuable was what attracts everyone to you. Your internal value, you get yourself, makes you a boss. It makes you a G. It makes you cool, not the paper. Money is simply a tool we want a whole lot of. Money only goes to those of us who attract it, who are popular for it, who call for it, who want to spend it. Once I locked in, began saying my affirmations, stayed focused, put in some work, I myself became a six-figure earner. You can do this shit too. You just gotta believe it. Then we could smoke and talk about our businesses and baddies together. But I need you to repeat after me. 1, I am worthy of financial abundance. 2, I attract money easily and effortlessly. 3, money flows to me in abundance. 4, I am grateful for the abundance in my life. 5, I am open to receiving unlimited abundance and wealth. 6, money comes to me in my sleep daily. 7, I love money for what it allows me to do. 1, I am worthy of financial abundance. We're gonna remember this shit. 2, I attract money easily and effortlessly. 3, money flows to me in abundance. 4, I am grateful for the abundance in my life. 5, I am open to receiving unlimited abundance and wealth. 6, money comes to me in my sleep daily. 7, I love money for what it allows me to do. These affirmations can help you change your mindset about money and attract more of it into your life. Stop being a broke boy. But remember, affirmations alone are not enough. You also need to take action, work hard to achieve your goals. Yes, you millennial or one of you new people, you have to work hard. Yes, that means you have to do shit to get money, not just sit on the internet and look like a guru. This is not Cinderella. This is real life. The more you dream, work, and think money, the more it comes. Sometimes as an idea, a thought, or a relationship, whatever. Saving is bullshit, but investing, that's the most important habit to develop. Build a strong financial foundation and achieve your long-term goals. So start small and be consistent. Before you know it, you'll be well on your way to financial success. This shit is about incremental growth. Keep putting in the work, keep dreaming, talking, learning, attracting money. Remember, young men, you deserve to achieve financial success. With the right mindset and habits, shit, you can make anything happen. Don't let them tell you different. Keep working hard, stay focused. Always remember that you inside have the power to attract the wealth and abundance you desire. That means get off your ass and make it happen.